To use the if function in a formula, click within a cell, type equal to begin a formula, type if, left parenthesis, and then what you wish to check, the sum. So if the sum, right parenthesis, is greater than 300, comma, then this is what to do. If it is larger than 300, add the text yes. Otherwise, add the text no. Right parenthesis, finish the formula with the check mark. You'll notice that there's only one row that is under 300 and returns the value no. Before doing the last if statement, we'll do the sum for each row just so we can see the value. For example, we'll see that the row number 3 is indeed below 300. We'll do the autofill. So 252 is less than 300. Another if statement we can do is to create an if statement that if the total is more than 400, then add an extra $100 bonus to the total, as shown here. We can copy that down with the autofill, and notice that any that are above 400 now have an extra 100 added to the total.